The activities of the incident management process are as follows. We must first identify the incident, log it, and categorize it so we understand what's gone wrong. We then have to prioritize it, diagnose it, may require to escalate either functionally or hierarchically, identify a resolution, apply the resolution and recovery technique, and then close the incident. This can be seen in the following flowchart. If we look at the top, we can see that incidents can be triggered by events, by a web interface, by a phone call to a service desk, or an email. It's then up to the IT service provider to identify that an incident has occurred. If it hasn't occurred, then perhaps it goes to the service portfolio management process if it's a change proposal, or request fulfillment if it's just a user that needs to request a service. Once we've identified that an incident has occurred, we need to log it. We need to capture information specific to the incident, and we need to design and understand what information we need to capture. We then should categorize this incident. There are many categorization schemas that we might use. The key is to understand what is it that went wrong so we can identify who needs to fix it. We then have to prioritize the incident. There are many cases that incidents occur every day of low priority because they have minimal impact to service level agreements or vital business functions. However, if it is a major incident, we need a separate procedure that we should follow for a significant outage or disruption. If it's not a major incident, it will go through a diagnosis phase or triage. And we'll ask the question, do we need to escalate this either functionally or hierarchically? A functional escalation may go to a specific technical team, whereas hierarchical escalation may move up a management chain or a tiered service desk. We then provide the appropriate level of investigation and diagnosis to understand what we need to do to identify a resolution. We may match the symptoms of the incident against a known error database to see if perhaps we've seen an incident like this before and already have an understanding of what to do, or if this is something new that we need to diagnose and investigate further. We then ask the question, did we identify a resolution? If the answer is yes, we should apply that resolution and recover the service on behalf of the users and customers. If not, further escalation may be required. Once we identify and apply the resolution and recovery and verify that we have restored service, we can close the incident.